Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and download uTorrent for free. So first of all, it's very important to go on this link I have provided. So include the link over here, uTorrent.com. This is the official web of uTorrent. So what you will do is not to go on this one, free download, but you'll scroll down and you'll see this one, uTorrent Classic. After you'll check this one, it's on the right a picture that shows you how it should look like. This one comes with download language pack. So make sure to have a stable Wi-Fi and storage so you can download it. Just click on this one, free download, and it will get installed in your PC together with language pack and other files. If this video has helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe so we can see you in our next video. Thank you.